In a so-called powerhouse country of female beauty queens, Filipino women become empowered, confident, and transformative as some of their legacies. And tonight, a new era begins for male pageant. Being the first ever Mr. Pampanga, how will you create long-term impact and leave a remarkable footprint even after your reign?
So, I am really excited to talk about that. And for me, I will definitely live my life with a purpose. And in my journey towards making history by having the honor of being the first Mr. Pampanga, I would like to utilize this platform to implement my advocacy as a registered physical therapist to empower individuals in achieving their highest attainable functioning in life in both physical and mental well-being. And hopefully, by the end of this night, I hope to be remembered not just for my inspiring words, but also for the lasting impact I can do for our community through my actions. Because I know for a fact that I am a Mr. Pampanga who is not only masanting, but also motivating. Thank you.
There you have it, Mr. Angeles CT! Thank you so much! Dahil sobrang lakas ng supporters mo, baka gusto mo muna silang batiin?
Gusto mo muna batiin yung mga pamilya ko, kaibigan ko, mga support sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, I love you all!
Okay, so our so-called powerhouse country of female beauty queens, Filipino women become empowered, confident, and transformative as some of their legacies. And tonight, a new era begins for male pageant. Being the first ever Mr. Pampanga, how will you create a long-term impact and leave a remarkable footprint even after your reign?
I can create impact after my reign, even after my reign. I can create impact after this by inspiring the youth. If you love something and if you want to achieve something, do it, and whatever it is, do it passionately, dedicatedly, and because personally I believe that if you put 100% of your effort and you put 100% wholeheartedly, you will become successful and successful in this work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pampanga. Okay.
In a so-called powerhouse country of female beauty queens, Filipino women become empowered, confident, and transformative as some of their legacies. And tonight, a new era begins for male pageant. Being the first ever Mr. Pampanga, how will you create a long-term impact and leave a remarkable footprint even after your reign?
I want to share the reason that's why I'm still joining pageant. At first po, discover ko sa pageant in 2017. Sobrang hirap po ng buhay namin. And because of pageant, nakapag-graduate ako as a teacher. And nag-ignite attendant po as ngayon po, flight attendant po. The very reason po kaya nandito ako is because of those people. Some of them are my students, ladies in life. Gusto ko po silang tulungan and gusto ko improve sa kanila na hindi lang yung kahirapan sa buhay para mag-succeed. And yun ang gusto ko maiwan na impact kasi po yung budget, yung ganda, yung bukas din. Pero ang magmamahal sa kapwa, wala nang inabang buhay.
There you go, Mr. Wagwag!
In a so-called powerhouse country of female beauty queens, Filipino women become empowered, confident, and transformative as some of their legacies. And tonight, a new era begins for male pageant. Being the first ever Mr. Pampanga, how will you create a long-term impact and leave a remarkable footprint even after your reign?
If I become the winner, I will leave a legacy that the first ever Mr. Pampanga is not about just fame or popularity, but rather an opportunity for me to become a role model, to promote inspiration and hope to other people, especially for the youth. I want to promote my tradition to become our advocacy, together with the help of our organization, become my backbone. In the last 4 years in my life, I celebrated my birthday together with the less fortunate and abandoned children. Simply because I want them to feel appreciated, because they all deserve the love and kindness that they did not experience. Because I believe they are the future leaders, not just here in Pampanga, but also in our country. Once again, I am Raven Renz Lansaman from Mabalacat City, and I'm willing and ready to take that responsibility.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mabalacat City.
Again, in the so-called powerhouse country of female beauty queens, Filipino women become empowered, confident, and transformative as some of their legacies. And tonight, as a new era begins for male pageant, and being the first ever Mr. Pampanga, how will you create a long-term impact and leave a remarkable footprint even after your reign?
Good evening. This is our new era begin wherein Mr. Pampanga exists. Kaya ngayon po nakatayo po kasi yung harapan na pinapamalas kung gaano ako tatagong loob. Kasi po sino po ba si Arthur? Christian po, sino po ba siya bago magsimula po Mr. Pampanga? Isa po siyang nahihiya, takot sa crowd, walang tiwala sa sarili. Pero okay naman po pala tumayo sa maraming tao na kaya naman po pala. Kaya po siguro may iwan ko na legacy is may isang Christian Paul na tumayo at naglakas ng loob na humarap sa mga tao at harapin yung mga takot niya. Kaya kung kinaya ko, sa tingin ko, kaya niya din. Maya Babel.